All right, good morning. Welcome to a quick fix on the Land Cruiser Supercharger. My wife comes home, says the last few miles, barely any power, barely got it home. I'll show you what I saw when I opened it. I already took it apart here. Here's the supercharger belt. But there's this bracket, which hangs off the front here. Okay, so here's what you want to get. You've got the V-ribbed idler pulley. This happens to be a Napa, but here's the number you need to know. What is it? 38009. And then 38020. Yeah, looks like we have an exact fit. And then notice on this pulley there's a fat lip and a skinny lip. Yeah, it looks like reading on I Hate Mud. You want the fat lip out so that the V-belt's aligned. Looks good. I don't know what the spec is. We'll go probably like 25, 30 pounds. Right, so here's the old one. Let's disassemble that. And fat lip out. Bolt on the outside. Nut's going to be on the inside. These were 17. Same thing, about 25. Super calibrated. Think we're good. Two 13 mil bolts, that's all that's holding it in. Let's install it. 2 bolts in the head here. 1, 2. Growling at. And it just slides over that tensioner. All right, here's where the beauty of Joey's tool comes in. Look at that, beautiful. Nice. So if there's any questions how to route the belt, there you go, right there.